Easy drawing tutorial. Today we are going to draw and coloring Rebecca Rabbit and her pregnant mom. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw a Rebecca Rabbit. The nose, circle. We paint the eyes. And her mouth, the shape like an O. 2 ears. I draw her body. Draw her arms. I draw her tail. Now let's draw her mom. We paint the face. 2 ears. Circle. The nose. We paint the eyes. Her smiling mouth. Draw her arms. Now here I draw a tail. I draw her big belly. She is pregnant. And now I draw a baby rabbit in her womb. We draw the face, ears, eyes, her smiling mouth, the nose, circle. I draw her body. Now I'm going to use the black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Red, pink, please like and subscribe my channel. Yellow, the color of the hand is yellow and tail is yellow. Mom Rabbit's dress is orange. Pink, blue, yellow, please like and subscribe my channel. Yellow, circle and nose are pink. For the mouth we use 2 different colors, red and pink. The color of the hand is yellow and tail is yellow and body is green. Good job! See you to next video.